So what's up guys? So today my video is going to be on me hacking, oh my god, this stupid thing, I don't know what. Wow, I won an iPhone, such a big deal. No, I didn't. Okay, oh my gosh, hold on. I'm about to hack the Subway Surfers in the Sims Replay. Dummy, I'm dumb. Oh my god. Freaking spin wheel, nobody cares about that. Okay, and then I click download, and you have to have the APK installer done. Installed already. Basically, you can hack anything with the APK installer and Game Hack 36. Basically, it's very easy. Okay, now it says file saved to downloader. Now I'm going to go and see if it's in this. See, now it's in my AP. So basically, this is all the stuff that is hacked. Sims Replay, Kim Kardashian, now Subway Surfers. And this is how I will give you the link for it in the description box. See, application not installed. It's gonna take like a couple times to do. See. Hold on, so it's installing now, and then it's going to have everything, and I can unlock any character I want, have every single thing on it. Yeah, I can have anything that I want on this game, basically. Maybe not like every single thing, but basically every single thing. So yeah. See, then when it says lookout riskware alert, it's not really going to do anything. It just says that, like, with all this, it's going to say it because it's downloaded off of, they're getting it from your internal storage, which is off the, internet. So, the internet going into your internal storage, it's going to say that it's going to mess it up, but it doesn't really. Okay, so now it's done, and that will show up in my see, now I can put it into my thing. The next thing I'm going to hack is Hungry Shark, but that will be a separate video. Now let's see the moment of truth. See, it's a downgrade. All of this is like a downgrade game. I can update it after it gives me everything. So yeah, because right now it's Rio, so do that by just buying a bunch of boxes. My phone's charging right now, so it's going to. It's unlimited. Basically, everything you get from the APK, when you use APK is unlimited. Everything. So that's the one thing I like about it. See, like, I'm buying all these things and like it's not like changing. So I can get anything I want except for the characters I have to unlock things for. But I can do that very easily, very soon. So those are the last of the characters. That should be easy. I can get her in a quick instant. These two will take me some time. Him and her won't. That I'll get in a minute. But look at all these people I got. You see? This was always my favorite one. See, look. Collect. Oh wow. Beautiful. 3 keys. Collect. Look how much I have at the top. Tell me you don't see that at the top. Just tell me. Do you not see it or not? Because then you're blind. Yeah, if you don't see it, you're very blind. See, watch. I'm about to buy every board, okay? Every board, and look at the top at the keys and the price. It's a lot. 995399999. Okay. Stop. Boom. Nothing. It's the same thing. See, boom, done. Same thing. Boom, done. Same thing. I have any board I want. Yeah. Let's sacrifice thing I'm bringing away. See, it's not like doing anything, like it's not taking away any types of money. Okay, so yeah, like basically this is basically the hack, yeah. And by the way, this is only for Androids. Yeah. So if you don't have an Android, sorry, but yeah. So just gonna go to the shop. Don't need to double up my coins or keys or any of that. I'll buy the max of it. See, nothing is taking away. I wonder what is the max. Oh, you can have as many as you want. I'm gonna go to 200. This could take a while. I'm gonna go to 210 just so that boom. Boom, 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 boom. all that. Boom, done. Only gonna go up to 40 though. 50. No, 60. Just 100, you know? Everything has to be 100. Wow. This is gonna take a while, but see, this is good because I can like skip all my missions and be really good at this game. See, I'm going to skip all through this very easily. I'll come back to you guys in a second. See, yeah, now I'm just going to play until I die. See all that? I can get any of it I want. And if you didn't see my last two, damn it, my last two hack videos, I will put it in the description box down below. And yeah. So boom, boom. Yeah, I don't know what to say now, but I'm just gonna play until I die, and that's when the video will end. Yay! See how fast it's going? I love it. I'm taking my time, taking my time. Damn, I missed the jetpack. Damn it. Ooh, that was so close. Sorry, this video is probably gonna be long, but yeah, you know. just died because I just said that. So I got 105,936 as my high score. So yeah, thanks for watching my video, and also like and subscribe. Bye.